Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, it is gorgeous weather here in the UK at the moment, which I'm absolutely loving. So I thought I would do this gorgeous sort of spring inspired nail art using some glitters that I have recently purchased. So here are the glitters that I got. So they're from I think it's VS Nail Art. I think on Instagram it's actually Designs by V Nail Art or something like that. I'll leave links to their store and their Instagram in the in the description box below as well. And I have got some of the glitters on my own nails as well that I used with my Kiki London like rubber base product. So that is the glitter that I used for the glittery part, and then I added some of these like glitter stars as well, just to add a little bit of colour. And I was really pleased with the end result. I haven't got a tutorial on that one, I just did it off camera. So these are the glitters that I'm going to be using today, and some of them look matte because obviously, as you can see, like most of the glitters are normally shiny, whereas these don't have any shine on them. So I've not used anything like this before, so I'm like really excited to see how I get on with them. So I'm using my Kiki London Rubber Base Coat. This has become my like favourite go-to product at the moment because it enables me to use chunkier glitter like I'm doing in this video and on my own nails without it being lumpy and bumpy. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to pick up some of the glitter the best that I can on my brush and just sort of place it on the nail like so. So to make sure I'm not just piling glitter upon glitter, so it's going to be all like overly like chunky or lumpy and bumpy. Seems to be my phrase in this video. I am actually just getting like a little rhinestone picker and just individually picking up the bigger pieces and placing them where I want them. And then if needs be, I can come in and get my brush to pick up those finer bits of glitter if I want more of that. But that's roughly the idea. So how easy and simple is that? And then just to add some more colour, I'm coming in with these like neon explosion stars. And a bit of their little dots as well. There you go. Then I'm going to be using Kiki London's Rubber Gel top coat. So I'm going to do that to seal this in. And for some reason, it kind of just took whatever it was off the glitter, which ended up in a splodge at the top of my nail, but I just sort of got rid of that. Thankfully it came off fairly easy and didn't particularly stain. And then I just got a pink dot and placed that over that again, and then just added a little bit of top coat over the top of that just to make sure it was encapsulated. But before I cure it, I'm going to go ahead and apply these absolutely gorgeous like daisy obviously a glitter shape, and I'm just going to put 3 on this one. I don't put 3 on every nail, I've just put it on this one. It will be the middle finger, and then you want to go ahead and cure that in your lamp. So basically, if you don't mind like it sticking out a little bit, you could leave it totally like that. You know, like if you had rhinestones, they would stick out a little bit, and I'm like, they're not moving at all, so they're going to be fairly stable. But if you want all your nail to be, you know, smooth, you don't want stuff sticking out, you can come in and buff the top of these. You do want to take it nice and easy and keep checking what you're doing, because obviously you don't want to overly buff and then it ruins the glitters underneath. And then I'm just going to get rid of the dust. And there you go, that's how it looks. Obviously it's just gonna make it look like you got a really high apex. But it does mean that obviously it is a bit more secure on the nail. And then you want to go in with the rubber top coat on the top of it, and it will bring that shine back on the glitter. And then it just means that the daisies are sort of more encapsulated. So I've gone and done the rest of the nails off camera. I am so in love with how this looked. I envisioned this when I got the glitters, but for it to look as gorgeous as it does, I'm over the moon with, and I really hope that you guys like it too. So thank you so much for watching. Press that free subscribe button if you've not already done so. But until next time, Jelly Babes, take care and bye.